Hello and welcome to Taming Little Monsters. I am Michelle and today we are going to be making paper snowflakes. You can find these free printable templates through the link in the description. There are 2 levels of difficulty. We have slightly more tricky ones for older kids and we also have more simple ones for younger kids. And today I'm just going to show you how to fold the templates and cut them out to make your own paper snowflakes. Okay, so the first step is to take your template and use a pair of scissors to cut out the large square. Alright, and if you forget about the instructions, don't worry, it's all written on the top on each and every template. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold it diagonally across the large line. Okay. And once again, you're going to fold those in half again. Now remember, when you fold these, you want this section, which is grey and has the snowflake template, to rest on the top. For these ones, where they end up with 3 sections, it's easier to take this edge and fold it just below that line there. And then take that top and fold it over once again. Okay, so now, give you a closer look. And now you can see the grey area and the white area, and all you have to do is take a pair of scissors and cut along the black lines. Okay, take that off and you can chuck that bit out, and finally you can unfold and discover your snowflake design. Yeah. If you want to keep these snowflakes, either to use them to decorate your house year after year or to decorate the classroom, you can laminate them, which is what I've done for this one here. So laminating them just makes them a lot more sturdy and they don't break so easily, so you can use them every year. So that's the harder one. This one that's slightly more easy. It doesn't have as many places to fold, and I did this on purpose because it has less layers for younger children to cut through. I'll just show you, and it's the same principle. Cut it, fold it in half diagonally, and then again, and then again, and then again, until you have your very large triangle. Now, of course, if you want to make your own snowflake designs, then just take a bit of normal white paper, maybe some origami paper because they're already cut in a square. Fold them into triangles, just as I showed you, and draw your own designs. Have fun. See what your kids come up with. There you go. And that's how you make your own paper snowflakes. So don't forget to visit the link in the description. You can get all those free printable templates. There's one suitable for older and younger kids. Each of these snowflakes design I also have as a colouring in page, so you can download those and use those for free. Alright everyone, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.